A network cable. How to make one? Well, I'm sure there's a lot of videos out there on how to make one. However, sometimes you have to make your own cables. Well, we're going to start with a simple piece of Cat 5 cable, about 5 feet. I've seen a lot of people just use this part right here, like that. I don't necessarily like that, just because I just barely pinch it, barely. And it just comes off. You can go like this, it just comes off. Be careful not to nick the inside of the wiring. Then you just take your scissors and cut that little stringy off. Let's go do that same thing for the other side. Kind of, sort of, you know, score the outside of it a little bit. And I'm not actually pressing on this whole thing. I've kind of just used it as a plier. These are really handy. There's other things that you can do with this as well. So you'll take your white orange, then you take your white green, then you're going to take your blue and white blue, and then you take your green and your white brown and your brown. Then you kind of just straighten them out like this. And obviously you're not going to have that whole length fit under this RJ45. Kind of just, I usually go about 1/2 inch, kind of go like that. Cut them straight. Once you have them cut straight, you push it into the RJ45 and you push in all the way like that with the jacket in there. Make sure that you can see all your wires through the top part over here. And you take your crimper, take your RJ45 spot and crimp. Some of them you'll hear a little click. This one doesn't have that click. I've been using this one for a long time. These colors are just memorized. This is the B standard. White, orange. Oh, and then your other standard starts with white, green. Then your white, green. Just undo them like this. And this is your blue, your white, blue, your green, your white, brown, and brown. Then you kind of straighten them all out like this. This will take practice, by the way. Then you just cut, only revealing about 1/2 inch. And you push them all till you reveal. Yep, till you reveal them at the top. Crimp it down, and there you go. A 5-foot patch cable. Now, to be a little more precise, I was going to say another word, but you use your tester, have both ends connected to your tester. Oh, and by the way, just don't like that. Data, uh-oh, look at that, I failed it. Oh, that's because I didn't have it pushed in all the way. See, there you go, passed. Then you have your cable. You can go ahead and use it for whatever you want. And this is this is not sponsored by any means. This is a Klein Tools, Klein Scissors, Ideal, crimper. Ideal tips. Not sponsored in any way.